Assalamu alaikum. Let's begin from here. Yesterday we stopped here and the agony began. Now let's read from here. The English language and literature paper was not nearly so bad as Marx and Merle had expected, and curiously enough, there were questions both on William Cowper and Salitic words. So, English literature, English language का paper that was not bad. It was not bad. It was as Marvis and Merle expected that as per their preparation was considered, they thought that paper would be bad. We won't be able to write anything in paper because they were not much prepared. But so bad, the English language and literature paper was not merely so bad as Marvis and Merle had expected. So they उतना भी बुरा नहीं था जितना उन्होंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था. It was not bad. And curiously enough, there were questions both on William Cowper and Salitic words. So they were curious कि question paper में क्या आएगा. And curiously enough, there were questions on William Cowper and Salitic words as Clive has told them, Cleve or Clive, whatever you want to read. Cleve has told them that there will be questions on William Cowper and Salitic words. So it was a kind of guess. उसको क्लीव ने उनको गेस दिया था कि ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. उसने कहाँ से देखा था? ओरेकल से. सो इट वॉज सच अ कोइंसिडेंस. ये कोइंसिडेंस था कि उन्होंने वो खुद हैरान हो गए. मर्ली और माविस खुद हैरान हो गए कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, बराबर हूबहू ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कैसे आ सकते हैं. सो इट वॉज सच अ कोइंसिडेंस that Merle could not help looking at Marvis and smiling. So ये इतना coincidence था. Merle ने Marvis की तरफ देखा और smile किया क्या, and could not help looking at Marvis and smiling. She couldn't help. She had to look at Marvis because they both knew कि question paper उनको like Cleve ने पहले ही बोला था कि question paper में क्या आएगा. खाली ये दो अवेयर थे इस बारे में. जो भी क्वेश्चंस उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पेपर में देखे, they were very well aware about that. और उन्होंने एक दूसरे की तरफ देखा और स्माइल किया. They were both well prepared and rode away at full speed, almost enjoying themselves, and worked steadily till Miss Mitchell set pens down. So they were enjoying writing. You know, everyone enjoys writing when one knows what to write, when one is very well aware, when one is aware about what to write, when one is well prepared, one enjoys writing in examination. Okay, so they wrote away at full speed. They wrote very fast, almost enjoying themselves. They were enjoying and worked steadily. Steadily means fast, okay? Till Miss Mitchell said pens down. तो तब तक उन्होंने लिखा जब तक मिस मिशेल ने उनको कहा कि pens down. अब time is up. After 11 o'clock came the examination on geography. When she saw the first question describe the products of Java and Borneo, Merle gave such a chuckle that many eyes were cast in her direction. So after 11 o'clock there were two meetings. Okay, first meeting khatam ho gayi, that was of English language and literature, and now after 11 o'clock it was the examination on geography. So when she saw the first question, it was describe the products of Java and Borneo, and it was the same question that Cleve had told them that it will come in the examination, that they were very well aware. They were very well aware it was the same question that Cleve told them will come in the examination. Merle gave such a chuckle that many eyes were cast in her direction. Then when she saw this question, she gave such a chuckle. Chuckle means to laugh out loudly, okay? So she gave such a chuckle that everyone looked towards her. So everyone casted an eye upon her. Miss Mitchell glared a warning. So Miss Mitchell glared means to look up continuously to someone, okay? To look continuously to someone or towards someone. It's type of that, okay? So she glared a warning, please be quiet. Again, Marvis and Merle found themselves well prepared and scribbled continuously till the bell rang. So again they found out that question paper is easy. They were well prepared and they scribbled. Scribbled means to write down quickly, continuously till the bell rang, jab tak ki bell na baji. How did you get on? Said Merle to Muriel as they walked downstairs from their classroom. How did you get on means कि how was your paper, how what you have done in your paper, how many questions you have done. Okay, said Merle to Muriel. Merle said to Muriel कि आपने question paper में क्या क्या लिखा, and how do you feel right now. We as they walk downstairs from their classroom. So it's common, okay, it's whenever you finish examinations you walk outside and you start discussing your question paper, okay, what you have written and what you have not written, how many questions you have done and how many questions you have not done. It's common, okay, and it's natural. I say, wasn't it funny about my fortune? Why we had the exact questions. I never heard of anything so queer in my life. I say, wasn't it funny about my fortune? So she's saying, who? Merle is telling to Muriel that, is it funny about, मुझे लगता है कि ये मजाक, wasn't it funny about my fortune? So funny means wasn't it coincidence about my fortune? So Cleve told that these questions will come in examination, and exactly the same questions came in examination. Why we had the exact questions? So she was herself shocked. She was shocked. She told her why we had the same questions that Cleve told us. क्या ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? And those were the exact questions that Cleve told us will come in the examination. I never heard of anything so queer in my life. मैंने ऐसा कभी भी अपनी ज़िंदगी में होते हुए नहीं देखा है. Queer means अजीब, strange, okay? So मैंने कभी भी ऐसा ये नहीं देखा है अपनी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा होते हुए. We will stop here. We will continue tomorrow. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.